Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your mobile plan supports streaming and you have enough data. This prevents surprise overages. Once done, open settings and turn on mobile data, then double-check airplane mode is off. Next, update and launch the YouTube app so you have current features and security fixes. Make sure YouTube is signed in to keep preferences and download settings synced. These steps get your device ready immediately, so you can proceed to app-level data permissions and playback options. Now you focus on app permissions and video quality, so streaming works well on mobile data. First, open System App Settings for YouTube and enable both mobile data and background data, so playback and downloads run when the app isn't foregrounded. Once in the YouTube app, go to Settings, then Data Saving, and turn off any Wi-Fi only toggles for downloads or streaming. Finally, choose Auto Playback Quality or manually select 480p or 720p to balance clarity and data use while watching. To finish, play a short video to confirm YouTube streams over mobile data and note buffering or quality changes. While testing, watch your device's cellular or mobile data meter so you don't hit your cap. Adjust playback quality if usage spikes. If playback fails, first toggle mobile data off and on, then clear YouTube's cache or reinstall the app. If problems persist, restart your phone or reset network settings. That often solves connection or permission conflicts and gets you back to smooth viewing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.